Fucking serious? Look at this fucking stupid ass helicopter. Look at this fucking pathetic fool. Literally, right here on top of my building, you can hear this fucking pipsqueak up there. Fucking just being a fucking annoyance. What the fuck are they doing? Anything important with their fucking ass? I'm gonna call this one in. Alright, what time is it? Today it's 5:39, Tuesday, March 31st. Let's see what fucking bullshit call they have here. I don't want to lock this thing, but let's see. Perfect. Alright, let's see what we got here, folks. I hear another chopper. Little pussy ass right here coming. That's 3 helicopters. Alright. And I can hear his freaking propeller making freaking noise. Trying to fuck up my goddamn day. And then these fucking queef ass fools pulling out right here. Look at these fucking ignorant puppets. Sometimes you want to just slap these people, like seriously. Anyways, I just want to tell you guys that I ate a Snickers, and I know it sounds stupid, but literally I've been trying to stay away from like any kind of sweets or anything like that. And I just ate a Snickers and I got real sleepy. I got real tired. And it took me off of my regimen. You want to stay on an alkaline-based diet. Start to detox your body. Start to take out all this stuff that's really bad, like a lot of this stuff, and it'll take you off of their bullshit ass frequency. It'll take you off of the hive mind bullshit, and they won't be connected to you as much. So I'm gonna be making sure that I do that. But as you can see, there's no emergency, and I'm gonna be calling this in, and I'll show you guys what you have to do. I'm gonna be screen recording, so I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna make the call right now as soon as this fucking little punk ass fucking Muppet leaves. This is literally what they do, like all the time, like every freaking day. This is how they fuck with you. Like I'll literally be thinking, okay, is that coming from somewhere? So this is what they do. They sit at their little fucking Paducey asses right there, and I'm like, where the fuck is that noise coming from? And literally, this is what they do. This is the pathetic fucking people that we're dealing with right here. When you're just chilling, you wake up, and this is what you have to wake up to. These fucking little pathetic fools right here that think they run the world. You see? They're using their fucking bullshit ass telecommunication bullshit system, which doesn't work. I mean, if I was so hurt or worried, right, why would I be standing up here? You know what I mean? Why would I be like standing up here if it hurted me or like it was hurting my brain, or you know, inside it'll affect you more because there's electricity and there's weapons in your neighbors' houses that are being focused on you. So then that's why you know, it's enhanced more. But if you come outside, it doesn't matter. It doesn't freaking matter if you come outside. It's not that effective. Let's see if I could get some more brightness actually. Yeah, it's not that effective. Let's just kick back and relax while these fucking puppets waste gas. I don't know why my camera does that too. Like, why is it auto-focusing when it's already focused? You see, like, it's focused right there, right? Well, that's what they want. They want me to like stare, like have my screen right in front of my face so they could get some kind of information. That's how pathetic these fools are. But no matter what you do, as long as you detox yourself and you do what you have to do, they ain't gonna be able to do shit. They ain't gonna be able to do shit about it. So their little panties got excited because I ate some other freaking crappy ass product. And they want to think that they have everything in the bag, but they're sadly mistaken. All I gotta do is keep detoxing myself, keep on using that, you know, Epsom salt, baking soda soaks, and these puppets don't have nothing to go on. As a matter of fact, let's call right now. Let's do this. Alright, so I forgot how I did it last time. So you have to turn on the freaking bullshit. And let's see here. Alright, so we got the little pussy leaving right now. We got the little pussy leaving. Fuck you, bitch. Fucking suck a fat one, you fucking puppet ass motherfucker. Fuck you. Get the fuck on with your bitch ass. We're gonna call the police department still. What time is it? I want so everybody can know this is what you do. You document it, plus you call it in, just so that you have evidence. This is how you do it. All right.
You've reached the Los Angeles Police Department on West Community Police Station. We are currently open. If this is an emergency, please hang up and dial 911. Para continuar en español, oprima el número 1. We are located at 1546 West Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. The hours of operation for front desk services are 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily, 7 days a week. Please listen carefully to the following options before making a selection. If you need to order a copy of a police report, please press 2 for the Records and Identification Division, or hang up and dial area code 213-486-8130. If you need a Los Angeles City telephone number for other than police services, please press 3 or hang up and dial 311. Hello, this is Mayor Eric Garcetti. Thank you for calling 311. If this is a life-threatening emergency, please hang up and call 911. Hola, soy su alcalde, Eric Garcetti. Gracias por llamar al 311. Si esta es una emergencia, por favor, cuelgue y llame al 911. To continue in English, press 1. Para continuar en Mayor Eric Garcetti Safer at Home Order, COVID-19 testing, and more detailed information can be found at coronavirus.lacity.org. To report issues involving abandoned vehicles, parking enforcement, or traffic controls like signs or signals, press 1 for DOT. To request trash collection services such as bulky item pickup, illegal dumping, can or container requests to report dead animals, or sanitation billing inquiries, press 2. For water leaks, power outages, or other DWP-related services, press 3. To report potholes, obstructions on the sidewalk or roadway, or tree-related emergencies, please press 4 for street services. For information about the MyLA 311 mobile app or online access to 311 or other city departments, press 5. To speak with a 311 representative, press 0. Thank you for calling 311. The 311 call center is experiencing high call volume today. We apologize for any delay or inconvenience. Please hold for the next available agent. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Calls may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance. LAPD Southwest Station.
How do I call to find out information like why if there's an emergency, a helicopter flying near my house, like how do I find out information of like why they're flying there?
Oh, okay. You can call our dispatch. You have a pen and paper? I can give you a telephone number.
Yeah, for sure. 1 second. All right, so what's the number?
Yes, sir. It's 213
213
928
928
8223.
8223. And this is just for the general area in Los Angeles, like they would know where, like why the helicopter's flying there.
Exactly.
Okay,
so
cool, perfect.
Hey, I'm a citizen, live in this particular area on this street. I want to know, just like how you told me, and they should be.
All right, cool, perfect. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, sir.
All right, thanks, man.
Bye.
Oh, I was just wondering, because I had a helicopter flying over my apartment, and I was just wondering if there was an emergency or something.
Were they just flying over to
They
something
were
close, or
hovering
were they
over the apartment next to me.
what, what was
It's
the
it's
address?
512 South Rampart Boulevard.
We did have a call at 6 on Rampart, so they're probably looking in the area for that.
Okay, yeah, because it was just like 5 minutes ago.
Right, but
Okay.
yeah, so,
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
yeah,
All
okay,
right, bye.
bye.
All right, people. So, just so you could check and document it, like I said, these perps think they're clever, homie, but not while I'm on watch. So I gotta save this number right here, add it to create contact, and then put fuckery, because that's what these fucking people are about. And that's it, blood. That's it. That's how you do the damn thing. These freaking puppets are messing with my phone. Like I said, I'll be uploading a video about this. You know, they're like messing my internet connection, messing with my downloads. I'm not able to download stuff, and it's just like causing havoc on my phone. But it's cool. We're gonna figure it out. I always find a way, so it's all good. I'll keep you guys posted, updated. Praises to the Most High. Get it, get it, get it. Let's get it.